blue eyes too. This is Eli Johnson. He is Jeff and Amy Johnson's son. How old are you?
2.
And where do you live?
Kingfisher.
Wow. What do you like to do?
What puzzles?
Play with puzzles?
I like to go to a basketball game.
Basketball game? Who's your favorite basketball team?
Then
You like basketball the best then?
yes,
You want to be a basketball player when you grow up?
yeah,
Are you going to sing for us?
yes.
Song.
Randall back. I the back of the air, I ran the engine left, and then I left the hum of the sea and the way, every hop. Of the way by every other man of the noble back. All the places see the rock, the eye on the Randall flag.
Well, you had it over there. Are you ready to go? Yeah. You don't want to talk to me anymore?
Hey, Eli! Look at Chloe.
Maggie on film. But how do I
And for 2-3 boys, the winner is Eli Johnson. And the last one.
Hey, you said Shelly, get Eli to take one step forward.